Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Still under the stay home order, so you know, you do what you gotta do, you know, but a lot of cooking going on here, I tell you that, man, between me and Cary. But anyway, today what we're gonna do is a brisket flat. And y'all check this dude out, man. This thing looks nice. Pre-trimmed, and this is a black Angus select, not a prime today, but y'all check that dude out, man. That's pretty, huh? Now what we're gonna do, let me back out a little bit here. What we're gonna do today, y'all, we're gonna hit this with some of our Big Mo caisson. Where you at, camera boy? Big Mo caisson brisket rub, the Texas brisket rub, that's good stuff. And of course my Fiesta rub, brisket rub there. So what we're gonna do is put us a generous layer on here. Kind of spread it out a little bit. And this stuff, you can tell it's got brown sugar and salt and pepper and man, all kind of good seasonings in here. Get that on there real good. Okay. And we're gonna come back with some brisket rub there. Spread it all in real good. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side, y'all, and I'll be right back. Alright, got the other side seasoned up. I'll check that out, boy. That thing's pretty, huh? That is all right. Can't wait to put it on the smoker, y'all. Alright, so let me go check my fire out here and we'll be back. I'll meet y'all outside. Alright, gang, y'all welcome back. Grill's at 313, 156 internal temp on the brisket. I just ran out and checked the bark. It's got a little bit more to go. We're going to give it probably another, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes and we'll go wrap it up. I'm trying to keep this internal temp, you know, might have to wrap it a little early. We'll see how it goes. But neighbors out there got some music going, so it's kind of hard to film out there. Don't want to get in trouble, you know, by copyright strikes and such. But y'all know how that is if you're a YouTube partner. Anyway, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, y'all welcome back. The bark was set on the brisket after a couple of hours. Went ahead and wrapped it. Internal temp was around 153, 156, I think, something like that. Somewhere in there. Anyway, we got it wrapped up, got it put back on there. I think Bird's still hooked up, so we'll monitor it. Sorry I couldn't show y'all outside, but they got the music kind of loud out there, and like I said, you know, you gotta be careful with that kind of stuff. Anyway, we'll check back in a little bit, y'all. Okay, everybody, y'all welcome back. Neighbors are still jamming, and that's okay. They play good music. Just hard to shoot a video when they're doing that. Anyway, we got the brisket pulled off. Internal temp, according to the ink bird, was like 207. So let's stick this bad boy and see what we got here. That's 203, 204. Let's check one more little spot here. Yeah, there you go, baby. 207, 208. Alright, so we're going to let that rest for a little while. That's hot. Don't do that, y'all. Alright. And Miss Cary's going to make some stovetop stuffing and some corn or something. So we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, welcome back. This thing's resting for about an hour. Let's see what we got, y'all. Y'all come on over here and let's look. Oh, man. Still smoking. All that juice, y'all. Smells good. Alright, let me get this transferred over. Get it out of the fall here. And get it put on the pan so we can cut it up. So we'll be back in just a minute. Alright, gang, y'all welcome back. Got this bad boy transferred back over to the pan here. All that juice and stuff. Let's cut some of this up and see what we got here, y'all. So this isn't prime. This is the Black Angus Select. So we're gonna see how this comes out versus the prime. My expectation is it'll probably be a little bit tougher, but we're gonna find out. Here, I want to see. Come on out of there. Let's see what we got, y'all. Y'all come up here. Let's get some of this. The girls are over there shopping. They got a little chattering amongst themselves over there because they bored in the house. Bored in the house. A board in the house. A boy. Y'all try not to laugh. Alright guys, y'all check this out, man. Give the camera a moment to focus up there. Nice little smoke ring. Let's see how this... Oh no, that's... Yeah, that pulls pretty good, but boy, it ain't like that, you know, 1/8" stick, whatever. It ain't like the prime. Good though. That is, oh man, that's really good. The big mo case on the brisket rub and the hickory smoke, nice flavor. Let's try another one. This is a little bit thinner. Yeah, you know. To me, I mean, it's good, but boy, it's like day and night. Alright, gang. We're going to get some of this. Tell you what I want to do. Cheers. I'm going to cut it in half. Just to see. Let's cut it in the middle. Just to say we did. You know what I mean? Y'all come till I zoom up on that a little bit. Oh yeah. Come on, camera boy, get it straight now. Alright. Let's cut this dude in the middle. Let's see what we got. Inquiring minds want to know. You know? What? That ain't bad. Let's y'all come around there and let's look. Alright. Let's come down here and look. Y'all come on. Alright, we'll slice up some of that stuff, y'all. We're going to plate it up. I'll be back here in just a minute. Alright, gang. I cut a piece off the other end. Y'all check this out, man. The other end looked a little bit tough, but let's see. Let's see what this do. That's off the other end of the flat there. That's better. Well, that's better. For whatever reason, so. Alright, that must have been closer to the point end. Alright. Just had to share that with y'all. So, not bad. Okay. We'll be back. Alright, gang, y'all, welcome back. We plated up. Just Cary did some stovetop stuffing and some corn. And there's your brisket. Nice. I tell you what, I'm gonna stick with prime though. This is good, y'all. Don't get me wrong, but it's kind of like, to me, in my taste buds and my texture, it's like day and night. between the prime and the black Angus select. So anyway, all right, appreciate y'all joining us here again, and we are gonna get our dinner on, and appreciate all of y'all. Love y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. Keep your hands washed. Okay? All right. See y'all next time. Bye bye.